Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a special machine, an Elektra Leva, with us in the shop. And I came in for quite a lot of leaking going on under the chassis and of course on the top. Usually when these gaskets start to wear out in the group head, water from the steam boiler can actually bypass the gaskets and start to leak through the bottom of the piston, just because you have two different directional gaskets inside of the group head, one facing kind of like this on the top, so the water is not able to go down, and then you have kind of a W-shaped or a V-shaped gasket on the bottom, which is not allowing water to go down or up. And so those, when they wear out, water can bypass and go past them. So we did replace those gaskets, re-lubricated this so the liver feels nice and loose to use. And then on top of that, we also found a lot of leaking on the bottom of the machine. After taking the bottom of the machine apart and looking on the inside, what we found is that there was corrosion coming from both the pressure stat. Here is the old pressure stat here, as you can see, leaking a bunch of steam and water through the side, and just causing a lot of corrosion inside the machine. And then also the heating element gasket, which took a little bit more to take apart, since you have to remove the boiler off of the machine and unscrew the heat element out. But once we did that, replace all those gaskets, replace the pressure stat with a new one, and the machine's working great. And so we're just going to quickly test all the operations of the machine. First with the steaming. Steaming is usually really good on these machines, depending on how much you allow the steam boiler to have room. So the steaming is usually always the best on these dedicated boiler machines. Now we do have some coffee here. Now we're going to test the piston side of the machine. We're going to use this cup here. And don't worry if the shot runs a little too fast or a little too slow. We don't calibrate the grinders to these machines, but we're just going to pull some water out and then we're going to let it go. And at some point the piston's going to catch and you're going to see coffee coming out through the bottom. Now, since this machine doesn't have any sort of release valve for the built-up pressure inside the group head, the leftover pressure doesn't get moved anywhere. It stays inside of the group head. So what you normally have to do, depending on how fine your coffee is, you usually have to leave the portafilter in here for a little bit of time, just so all that pressure can move down through your puck and relieve, because if you were to try to pull it out right now, all that pressure that's built up will shoot out the sides, and it'll make a kind of sneeze noise, and it'll cause coffee to kind of go all around the group head. We did do a tune-up on this machine where, of course, we replaced all the gaskets in the group head, the ones to the boiler, the sight glass gaskets. All of these here are all brand new gaskets, and we just rebuilt pretty much everything that we could on this machine. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.